life is not wasted in one day. Life is wasted in the little delays of each day that you avoid by saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." Are you sure this tomorrow will really come someday? Number 1, laziness is not a character problem. It's a problem of perspective. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "A man does not suffer from events. He suffers from his opinion of events." You are not lazy. You are distracted. When you avoid a task, you are actually avoiding not the task. You are avoiding the discomfort that accompanies it. Let me tell you a story about a young man. He used to say every day, "I will start at the right time." Years passed. The right time never came. Stoicism teaches, take responsibility for what you can control, not feelings, actions. I am a person who starts now. I don't wait for the perfect time. Are you delaying your future to avoid your discomfort? Write your experience in the comments. From this point, we learned laziness is not overcome by force, by changing the perspective. Now the question comes, how to change the perspective? Number 2, if you take time lightly, life does not care about you. Seneca said, "Life is not short, we waste it." If you waste 1 hour a day, you lose 365 hours in a year. This is not a theory. This is reality. There was a man who read for 30 minutes a day. After 5 years, he became different from others. Stoicism says, time is the only resource that does not come back. Practical strategy. Stoic time audit. Tonight, take 5 minutes. Ask yourself, where did I lose time today? And where did I invest time? Write it down. Don't judge, just watch. I respect my time because my life is time. Do you know? Where did your time go today? Or don't you want to know? From this point, we learned if you don't value time, life doesn't value us either. But even after knowing time, many people don't move. Why? Number 3, change doesn't happen without self-reflection. Marcus Aurelius used to write every night his mistakes, his reactions, his weaknesses. He was an emperor, but he still asked himself questions. When was the last time you talked to yourself silently? Silence is scary because there are no excuses. I'm not afraid to be honest with myself because that's where strength comes from. Do you think about your work and decisions every day? Or do you just get through the day? From this point, we learned, quiet yourself at the beginning, and self-reflection are the first steps to change. Now the last thing, after knowing everything, what will you do? Last warning, not the last chance. What you don't do today will stand before you tomorrow. Stoicism is harsh, but fair. You can change, but not later. Now, choose one small task today. One, and start. I don't waste my life. I live consciously every day. If these words stir somewhere inside you, write in the comments. I'm starting today. Because Stoics don't wait. They act quietly, but surely. You've heard a lot today, but Stoicism reminds us, not listening. Actions build character. Let go of what's out of your control and what's in your control. Start today. Because a Stoic doesn't wait for the future. He disciplines the present. If these words have awakened even a little awareness in you, then quietly, because this is also a kind of agreement with yourself. Write in the comments, what is your favorite Stoic habit? Silence, self-control, or daily self-reflection? Share this video with a friend who still has tomorrow going on in their life. And if you want more calm, deep, strong Stoic philosophy, then subscribe. Because quiet people are the strongest. And the Stoics believe in actions, not words.